Hey everyone, and welcome to my Forest Car Reviews YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to be taking a closer look at the 2024 Tesla Cybertruck. This much anticipated electric pickup truck has been making waves ever since it was first unveiled in 2019, and for good reason. It's a radical departure from traditional pickup trucks, with a futuristic design and incredible performance specs. Exterior. The Cybertruck's exterior is truly one of a kind. It's made from a cold-rolled stainless steel exoskeleton that is designed to be incredibly durable. The truck also has a low center of gravity and a wide stance, which gives it a very planted and stable feel on the road. Interior. The Cybertruck's interior is just as impressive as its exterior. It's spacious and minimalist, with the focus on functionality. There's a large touchscreen infotainment system in the center of the dash, and there are plenty of storage compartments throughout the cabin. Bumper. The Cybertruck's bumper is made from the same cold-rolled stainless steel as the rest of the truck's body. It's designed to be incredibly strong and durable, and it can withstand a lot of abuse. Headlights. The Cybertruck's headlights are LED and are designed to be very bright and efficient. They also have a unique design that helps to set the truck apart from the competition. Backlight. The Cybertruck's backlight is also LED and is designed to be very brighter and visible. It's a full-width backlight that helps to improve visibility, especially at night. Seats. The Cybertruck's seats are designed to be comfortable and supportive. They're made from a high-quality material that is easy to clean. The seats are also heated and cooled, so you can be comfortable in any weather. Dashboard. The Cybertruck's dashboard is simple and minimalist. There's a large touchscreen infotainment system in the center of the dash, and there are a few buttons and controls for the climate control and other systems. Engine. The Cybertruck is available with 3 different powertrain options: a single-motor rear-wheel drive option, a dual-motor all-wheel drive option, and a tri-motor all-wheel drive option. The tri-motor option is the most powerful, with 0 to 60 miles per hour time of under 2.9 seconds. Wheels. The Cybertruck comes with standard 18-inch wheels, but there are also 20-inch and 22-inch wheels available as upgrades. The wheels are made from a strong and durable material that can withstand a lot of abuse. So, what do you think of the 2024 Tesla Cybertruck? I think it's an amazing truck that has the potential to revolutionize the pickup truck market. It's stylish, functional, and incredibly powerful. If you're looking for a pickup truck that's not afraid to stand out from the crowd, then the Cybertruck is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.